Greetings all. Thank you for joining me as I dive into the challenge of making money while I sleep using crypto passive income strategies. Passive income has always been a dream for many, and with the rise of cryptocurrency, it's become a more accessible reality. Many investors are turning to crypto as a way to generate passive income, and it's easy to see why. The potential for high returns and low maintenance has made it a popular topic among investors. The idea of making money while you sleep is incredibly appealing, and crypto has made it possible for anyone to get involved. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the crypto space has a lot to offer. From staking to lending, there are many ways to generate passive income with crypto. As the space continues to grow and evolve, we can expect to see even more opportunities emerge. Passive income through crypto is not without its risks, but for those who are willing to take the leap, the rewards can be significant. With the right strategy and a bit of patience, it's possible to generate a substantial income with minimal effort. The key is to find the right approach and stick with it. As we explore the world of crypto passive income, it's essential to keep an open mind and be willing to learn. The concept of passive income through crypto is still relatively new, but it's gaining traction quickly. As more people learn about the potential benefits, we can expect to see even more interest in the space. With the rise of decentralized finance and other crypto-related technologies, the opportunities for passive income are only going to grow. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build wealth, crypto passive income is definitely worth considering. Many people are skeptical about earning passive income in the crypto space, and for good reason. There are a lot of misconceptions and challenges that come with it. One common misconception is that it's a guaranteed way to make money, which is simply not true. The crypto market can be volatile, and there are risks involved. Another challenge people face is the lack of understanding about how it works. The crypto space is complex, and it can be overwhelming for beginners. Many people struggle to understand the different types of coins, wallets, and trading platforms. This lack of understanding can lead to mistakes and losses. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, is another challenge people face. The crypto market is constantly changing, and it can be tempting to jump into an investment without doing proper research. People also struggle with the concept of patience. Earning passive income in crypto often requires a long-term perspective, which can be difficult for some people. They want to see results quickly, and when they don't, they get discouraged. Security is another concern. The crypto space has been vulnerable to hacks and scams, which can be a major turnoff for investors. Regulatory uncertainty is also a challenge. The crypto space is still largely unregulated, which can make it difficult to navigate. This uncertainty can lead to confusion and mistrust. Lack of control is another issue. When you invest in crypto, you're often at the mercy of the market. You can't control the ups and downs, which can be frustrating. Investors often struggle with the concept of risk management. They may not fully understand how to mitigate risks and protect their investments. The crypto space is constantly evolving, and it can be challenging to keep up with the latest developments. This can lead to feelings of uncertainty and doubt. There are many ways to generate passive income with crypto, including staking, yield farming, and lending. Staking involves holding a certain amount of coins in a wallet to support the network and validate transactions. Yield farming involves lending coins to a liquidity pool to earn interest. Lending involves lending coins to others in exchange for interest payments. Each of these methods has its own potential returns and risks. Staking can offer relatively low but stable returns, while yield farming can be more lucrative but also riskier. Lending can offer a steady stream of income, but it also comes with the risk of borrower default. It's essential to understand the different methods and their potential outcomes before getting started. Some popular cryptocurrencies for staking include Tezos Cosmos and Cardano. These coins offer a relatively stable source of income and are widely supported by wallets and exchanges. Yield farming, on the other hand, is often done with more volatile coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Lending is commonly done through platforms like BlockFi and Celsius. The potential returns on these investments can vary widely. Staking can offer returns ranging from 5 to 15% per year, while yield farming can offer returns of 20 to 50% or more. Lending can offer returns of 8 to 12% per year, depending on the platform and the borrower. It's essential to do your research and understand the potential risks and rewards before investing. Many people have found success with crypto passive income, and their stories are inspiring. One notable example is an investor who made over $100,000 in just a few months through yield farming. Another example is a group of investors who earned a steady income through staking and lending. These stories show that it's possible to achieve significant returns with the right strategy and mindset. The key to success is often a combination of patience, research, and adaptability. It's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in the crypto space and adjust your strategy accordingly. Building a diverse portfolio and managing risk is also crucial. By doing so, you can minimize your losses and maximize your gains. One breakthrough strategy that's been gaining attention is the use of decentralized finance, or DeFi protocols. These protocols allow investors to lend and borrow coins in a trustless and decentralized manner. They offer a range of benefits, including high returns, low fees, and increased security. The potential for DeFi is vast, and it's an area that's worth exploring. Many investors have already seen significant returns from DeFi investments, and it's likely that we'll see even more growth in the future. As the crypto space continues to evolve, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the latest developments. To recap, making passive income with crypto requires patience, research, and a willingness to take calculated risks. It's essential to understand the different methods, including staking, yield farming, and lending, and to manage your risks accordingly. By doing so, you can generate a significant income and build wealth over time. The key is to find the right approach and stick with it. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the crypto space has a lot to offer. With the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve significant returns and build a prosperous future. Remember to always do your research and stay up to date with the latest developments. As we conclude, I encourage you to like and share this video, as well as your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other videos on crypto and investing strategies on my channel.